Hi Pisces, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another Love Bite. Let's see what message wants to show through for you today, Pisces. And of course, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Pisces, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, the Emperor, King of Pentacles in reverse, Justice in reverse, Eight of Swords in reverse, upright, Temperance upright, the Moon card upright, Five of Wands in reverse, Death card upright, and the Seven of Pentacles. Bottom of my deck, the Eight of Wands. Communication, Emperor, and the Knight of Pentacles in reverse. I have a feeling somebody wants to heal this connection, Pisces. They want to now take control, take charge after maybe they haven't really behaved very well. Maybe they did not do the right thing in the past. This person has been very stressed out about how to kind of make things right now. They're very scared as well, stressed and scared. They do want to end the fight. They're very worried that they're going to lose this connection or it's going to end. A bit disappointed, maybe at their own behavior, I don't know. Let's start, Pisces, with some dialogue message cards. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be. Then we'll clarify these, okay? So, Pisces and their person, Spirit. Pisces and their person. They could say something. Thank you. I'm going to take a few more Pisces from another deck. Pisces and their person. Pisces and their person, Spirit. Thank you. I'm going to take a few more Pisces from a third deck and then we're ready to go. Pisces and their person. And Pisces, if you're looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. All right, good to go, Pisces. Let's start your reading. I only want two things in my life: everything that makes you happy and nothing that makes you suffer. I love you always and forever. It drives me crazy when you behave like a spoiled child who takes my love for granted. Yes, I love you unconditionally, but I'm not your parent. And quite frankly, your behavior takes the piss at times. You need to act like an adult for our relationship to work. Your coded cryptic messages and failure to answer questions drives me up the wall. If you're worried that the karmics are going to see, just call me and tell me the effing truth. It's the least I deserve. I feel like I've been fighting for your life, for you not only to stay alive, but for you to be your authentic self and to thrive. I want to see you embrace your dreams and fly free from everything that's been holding you back. I think of you before I sleep, I dream of you all night, and I wake up to think of you again. I can't get you out of my head. I think about you always. I know that we are soulmates, forever entwined for eternity. Thank you for your support. I could not do this without you. It hurts me to say we should go our separate ways. All right, so Pisces, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating, let's start your reading and see what's going on. I'm going to start with an angel blessing card, Pisces. Let's see what my angels have for you today. Blessing, guidance, triumphant. Well, somebody is very successful here or is going to be. This is a blessing for you, Pisces. Whatever you're doing, I think you're going to be riding high, it seems. The blessings of victory are here for you. So, well, this could be in your life, in your work life. I don't know what it's going to do for your work life. Let me check and see what's happening. What's this Emperor, Spirit, with the King of Pentacles in reverse? Emperor. Somebody does want to take action, Pisces. Somebody does want to take action. They don't want this chapter to end. Somebody is now kind of picking themselves up to do maybe the right thing. They don't want this chapter to end. In fact, they want to rebuild. They want all these defenses that you have, both of you, towards each other to be, put down, because they are very passionately attracted and they want to take some action. They are showing up as the King of Pentacles, but right after that is the King of Pentacles in reverse. Why is that, Spirit? Well, in the past, I guess, they never stood up for what they really wanted. Maybe this person was very ungrounded in the past. They probably never gave that love offer, right? They never even came forward with a little love offer, forget a big one. But I think this person is now wanting to start showing emotions. This person, whoever this emperor, who's the new emperor that's become, they want to release the toxicity in this connection. They want to do something to heal all the injustice that's been done in this connection. So maybe in the past this person was the King of Pentacles in reverse, but they are trying to kind of level up, it seems. What's the Justice card, Spirit, in reverse? Justice card in reverse. They've realized that just by holding back and leaving their person out in the cold, and they are feeling left out in the cold, life is so boring. This holding back is not getting them anywhere. I think whoever this emperor is now does want to do the right thing. They want to heal. They want to balance the connection, because now this emperor is thinking about long-term commitment. But they're in their head. Why is that, Spirit? Eight of Swords. Because a lot of stagnancy has happened in your connection, and they know that they need to initiate this change. They know they have to be the first ones to maybe send that message or say something to bring healing. Maybe in the past this person was very self-indulgent. They used to get things their own way whenever they wanted. They didn't have to do anything. They didn't have to pick, they didn't need that courage to maybe woo a person or get a person. But this time there's a bit of stress, because to get their wish fulfillment, they will have to pluck up the courage to send that first message. But they do want to take that risk, Pisces. They are ready now. They do want to take that risk. They want to bring some kind of balance and harmony back into this connection. So, Temperance, Spirit. Temperance. This person has given it a lot of thought. They retreated, they've taken some time, and maybe this person was emotionally closed off in the past, or if they were with third parties, or that was their lifestyle. I think this person has been healing as well. In all their reflection time, I think they've learned that, this was a bad idea. This time to turn your back on maybe the ways that they were in the past. They want this for a once so badly. They want something stable, something secure, something very, very solid. But there is still a bit of fear here. There is still a fear. They could be manifesting from behind the scenes. They're wishing and praying that this connection with their person doesn't end. They see their partner as their sunshine, their happiness, their everything. They are waiting on divine timing, manifesting, hoping that maybe in time things will just go and flow, and come into being by themselves. Why? Because they're a bit scared. So, what's this Five of Wands in reverse, Spirit? Five of Wands, yes. They're a bit stuck because they know to end the fight, they may have a lot of explaining to do, maybe about third parties or something, or why this connection was not working out in the past. So that's the reason that they're a bit stuck. They are also worried that their person has probably already in their heart shut this chapter down. Maybe that's the little bit of fear. That what if, my person sees me as an emperor in reverse and doesn't accept me as their emperor? They're very disappointed with their own behavior at the moment. That lack of equal give and take, breadcrumbing, all these thoughts are going in their mind about their own behavior, feeling very overwhelmed, feeling very overburdened, feeling like their partners doesn't see them as an emperor anymore, feeling really, really sad, down and out, disappointment. So, oh my God, whoever this person is, this person who wants to be seen as an emperor up right now, they do have a lot of love in their heart, Pisces. They do have a lot of love in their heart, but somewhere they fear that they've exhausted their partner now. Maybe their partner has already given up on them. They have disappointed them in the past, and now they won't be. Yeah, this emperor says they see me as a player. They see me as somebody very immature, somebody who's not going to do the right thing. So I'm a bit scared to tell them how I feel. So I'm manifesting it, hoping that the universe can help me. I'm ready for this change, but the only thing is I don't know how to initiate the first contact about this change of heart. Okay, so but I do have the Eight of Wands Spirit as my overall energy. Why is this here? Eight of Wands. Okay, too many cards, but I'll take them because they fell out. Okay, so whoever this emperor is desperately wanting to have this communication. They're a bit afraid that that person is upset and angry with them. They feel that this Queen of Wands could have already, dropped them or not interested. They're seeing their person each day glow up more and more, sit on that empress's seat, and they look at this empress and they have so much regret, so much sorrow for not taking action earlier, and they feel all these mind games that I played, they've all kind of backfired on me now. Look at my person, they're looking so gorgeous. I know they are my person, but I suspect that they are still very upset and angry with me. So shame, guilt, shame, embarrassment is what is keeping this person stuck even now. But believe it or not, they're watching all the time, right? They're watching, waiting for a chance, but at the moment, as much as they want to communicate, fear is stopping them from initiating or that first message to break the ice about the connection. I mean, they could talk to you otherwise, but to get into that sphere that, hey, you're the one, or I care for you, or I love you, that scares them so much because now they feel they've lost their reputation, right? They've behaved badly in the past, and that's how they're going to be seen. So that's all I have for you, Pisces. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.